Rowserworld.
Hey guys, welcome to another segment of Rowserworld, and today I'm going to be doing a quick cartoon drawing of Coryxkenshin. Alright, so I have a pretty decent cartoon, a pretty decent picture of him here. So I'm going to try to draw this picture, okay? Alright, so where do I want to start with in this picture here? I don't know. Let's start with this right here. Let's do our eyebrow shape here. He has some pretty small eyebrows, so that's something I want to mess with. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll draw some eyes here. Okay. Alright. And then I'm gonna draw my eyes in there like this. So that's pretty cool. And now guys, let's go ahead and draw a nose shape. So he has a pretty sizable nose, so we're going to go out beyond these little we're going to go beyond them. We want to make his nose, we want to make the nose fit the man. Okay, and now we're going to do our nose shape, our mouth shape, so our mouth is going to go in between the eyes. See those pupils right there I made? Those are the markers I used to stop my mouth bit, you see, so that the nose is the centerpiece of my picture. Okay. So now that we have this part of the drawing down, we can go ahead and we can add the bottom lip here. Okay. And we can add our chin shape, which should go kind of right in between the eyes as well. So I broke classic proportion by making the nose extend past where it normally would extend to. This is gonna kind of, and we'll just adjust this as the drawing goes along. Okay. Now let's go ahead and we're gonna draw our profile line. Okay, so we can see his profile. It's really being obscured by the darkness. He's really kind of at a 3/4 view. So I want to get a little bit of that cheekbone. Okay, and then I really can't see what it's doing in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of guessing here. I'm going to assume he has some hair that kind of extends into here, and then it just kind of comes up like this. Okay, and then on this side, we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw. This is like the side of the face, so we want to make sure we got plenty of room there, just to come on in like this. And then we'll draw a little hair there, like such. Alright, so our drawing's coming along quite well. Now, we're going to draw the hair. So you can see he has kind of an afro here. So we're going to make it look like an afro. Okay, see how it's kind of coming over into the face and it's going to cast a shadow. But we're not worried about that as of yet. Okay. Okay, just like so. And once again, we're going to guess about what's going on over here. And then we're going to go ahead here and we're going to add our neck shape. Awesome. Okay. Now, let's see here. We need some decent headphones here. So remember, we're not trying to draw exactly what we see. We're just trying to draw something that reminds us of the person that we're trying to draw. One of the biggest problems that you're going to have when you're first starting caricature, especially if you're used to drawing portraits, is, let's go ahead and make this. This is the brim of his hat here. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. It's okay. I'm sure he won't mind. Okay, and then we'll make it kind of puff out over here a little bit more. Because I'm pretty sure since we made the hat smaller, his hair has to puff out more. Okay. One of the biggest problems that you'll have is trying to make the person look like a cartoon instead of them in real life. And how you overcome that is how can I say it? You have to realize you're drawing your interpretation of the person. Okay, so don't try to draw what you see. Draw what you think you see, and then in your way. You know, you can kind of do like this when you're drinking. Did I say drinking? When you're thinking, just say, it's kind of like this. It's kind of like that. Okay. I'm always doing that. That's what I'm thinking in my head when I'm drawing. It's kind of like this. It's kind of like that. You know what I mean? This necklace is kind of like this. It's kind of like this. Does it look exactly like that necklace? No. But it's kind of like that. You get it? Alright. Now, let's go ahead and put that profile right there. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw the shoulders here. Okay. And you know what, man? I think we got a really decent picture here. So we're going to go ahead now and we're going to do some shadows on the picture, okay? Are you ready to do some shadows? I'm ready. Okay, so for the shadows, I'm going to use this gray Crayola marker. Okay, and we're just going to do a shadow right there, shadow right here, shadow right there, nice little shadow. A little bit of dark under the eyes. You might need to get a little sleep there. I'm messing with you guys. I'm just messing with you. Alright. A little bit on the top lip there. Oh yeah, man. This is coming out great, guys. This is coming out great. Yeah, I had a young man ask me to do this picture the other day. And I told him I would. I'm a man of my word. Make sure you get taken care of. Thank you so much for subscribing, young man. I forget what his name is right now, but he was asking me this. He's like, please, and I was like, do it. I will do it. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna get out our Big Bertha. This is our. I call it my big magic marker. It's the one I use to do my darks with. So we're just kind of scribbling down here, and we want to start separating the light from the dark. Okay. So how you learn how to do this is at first you just want to. I want you to just follow me. Follow me. That's how I learned. I followed somebody, and then eventually I was like, hey, I can do this by myself. Like my daughter this morning, my wife got up and she says, babe, will you make us some pancakes this morning? And my daughter immediately jumped up and said, wait, Dad, can I help you? Because my brother taught her how to make pancakes, and now she is apparently become the next top chef. Gordon Ramsay at. Yeah. She's such a good kid. She's getting, but we're homeschooling her now because of the thing that's going on. And, well, we've had to send her to in-school detention a couple of times, but she's doing well grade-wise. Yeah, good kid. Okay, guys, so it looks like I'm about to wrap this thing up. This was the top of the hat right here, so in case you didn't realize what that was I had going on there. And, oh yeah, darken his mustache just a little bit. Okay, so all we have to do now is just put his name here. He has a very awesome name named Coryxkenshin. I hope that you enjoyed the video tutorial, that your Coryxkenshin came out pretty good. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. Also, guys, don't forget to check out our live stream where I'll be drawing these cartoons live just for you right here on YouTube. It's every day. We're doing them at 3:45 Central Standard Time, and we're also doing the streams at 8 o'clock at night, and we do those for about 2 hours. So I'll switch to a 2-hour format because I know that there's not really a whole lot to do when you're stuck in the house we're trying to get past this thing, and so I'm just trying to do my part and keeping us positive, guys. So I hope that you can join us there at the live stream. Also, guys, just keep it respectful when you come. Everybody there is chill. There's no, we don't talk about controversial issues and all that crap like that. We just talk about artwork and some, we might talk about something that's fun, but other than that, we're going to kind of keep it basic. So you have a blessed and wonderful day, my friend, and I'll be seeing you in the next little video tutorial. Have a blessed day, guys. Let me sign it. I forgot.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.